What's going on, mi tacuaches? Aquí estamos, I don't know where we're at actually. Cayes, K-I-E-S-T, I think. Cayes Park. Somewhere in Dallas, guys. I really don't know where I'm at, but I got invited. Híjole. No. But yeah, guys, aquí estamos at the most tacuaches park you ever seen in your life, guys. We got all kinds of tacuaches here from Fort Worth, Arlington, Dallas, Plano, Frisco, Carrollton, the whole little tacuache area. They all met up here to meet and play together and be tacuaches together. So we came out here so you can see all the tacuaches and the mamalonas, guys. Make sure. See, I told you there was a lot of tacuaches. No. So make sure, guys, if you see yourself in this video, comment, like, subscribe, say what's up, and I hope you enjoy the show. Damn it, boy. He got money. Híjole, those look like my canzones. I'm telling you guys, tacuaches, man. I wasn't here but 30 seconds and they're already burning out. Pinche tacuaches. Now that looks like my mama's canzones. Damn it, boy. Miran estos tacuaches right here, cooked. We got baby possums leaving, guys. Oh, they forgot the beer. Guys, we got a pinche policía already. I was only here for 10 minutes. Híjole. Se quema cut. Rent a cop. Park. Police pulled up. So I'm gonna move my car before they give me a ticket. Pinche tacuaches don't know how to stop burning the tires. Cook. Damn it, cook. Look at that. That's nice. You don't know? That's nice. Mesquite, Texas. Shout out Mesquite, Texas. Is this your ride, bro? Is yours? What do you call it, bro? Does it got a name?
La Linker.
La Linker? Damn it, boy. Shout out to that boy, Skating Forces _ Jose. Boys at Herencia Trucking. Pinche tacuaches everywhere. Cut. Híjole. Where your boys at? That's their new V6 motor. Cut. Híjole, class A1 tacuaches right here. I bet you this one quemas. What's up, cook? ¿Qué onda, tacuache? He's about a 9.8 on the tacuache scale. Híjole, puro pinche cougar. Tire claws. Oh, si quema no quema, guys. Si quema no quema. Ah, si quema. ¿Qué onda, cook? I'm on a diet, bro.
You want a beer?
I'll take a beer. Check out that food. What kind of free food y'all got over here, bro? Damn it, boy. Yeah, guys, aquí estamos con all the tacuaches, man. There's plenty of tacuaches here, man. I think I forgot to mention, this is first Diablo shots and shots by Jay, I believe. Truck meet. Pretty badass turnout for the first one. Got plenty of little tacuaches here everywhere, man. Shout out to them boys for putting this together. What does it mean to be a tacuache, bro?
Fuck around.
Fuck around?
Yeah.
What else?
Live in the moment.
Live in the moment?
Yeah, living the life.
Do you have to have a mullet to be a tacuache or no?
I used to. Nah.
No mullet? No mullet required? What about the Edgar cut? Do I gotta have the Edgar cut to be a tacuache?
It don't matter.
No matter? It just matters if you have a mamalona, bro? Yeah. No. Lamborghini? That went 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Shout out to them boys at Con Estilo Trucking. They deep here today. Oh, I gotta take a shit. I can do that too. No. What's up, Cook? Bien, bro? No. Run, the police is coming. Run, the police is coming. You threw a rock in my nostril, fool. Si quema o no quema? Damn it. Do a backflip. I'm telling you guys, Dallas area has some of the most taquaches here, man. They don't care, bro. That's my people. I love these taquaches, man, because they don't give a fuck. Híjole. Pinche American force. Somebody take his wheels before he looks. Guys, this is the most beautiful, most ghetto's park ever. You could get a snow cone or you could get shot. Never know. God damn it! I'm gonna have lung cancer for sure. I'm over here breathing them tire fumes and shit. Damn it, boy. What's up, taquache? ¿Si quema la llanta o no?
Yeah, look at the hose. It's for the pump.
And that thing ain't got no thread left on the tire. There's no rubber on there. It's just wires. Hey, shout out to my girl Leslie Diablo. That shots, right? Appreciate you for throwing this this truck meet. Great first truck show. Shout out to that girl. Oh shit. Híjole, guys. They ain't doing no tripping. Puro burnouts today, man. Puro burnouts. Oh shit. ¿Se quema o no quema?
Quema puro gas.
Puro gas?
Yeah.
Diesel or unleaded?
Put some water in that bitch. That's your preserve right now.
What does it take to be a taquache, bro?
A truck.
A truck?
Yeah. Drop or live.
Their truck or their dad's truck?
Lo que sea. Puro pinche herencia. Herencia truck. Follow.
What's up, taquache? Good.
Helado.
¿Si quema o no quema? Híjole, damn it, boy. Damn it, boy. Damn it, boy. I know y'all see this truck right here. Híjole, damn it. Check out that paint, guys. Puro pinche pink. Like my canzones, man. The headliner, the center console, pinche NOS. Man, this is a one of a kind right here, guys. Damn it, pinche Michael Kors bag. They got money. They got money. The Sani water? Híjole, these people got money. Pinche V6 broke down, guys. Yeah, stop, guys. That's it for today's video. Diablo Shots first truck meet was an awesome turnout. Great success. He had a lot of mamalonas and taquaches like that one right there. Híjole. A lot of little tacuaches everywhere, man. Make sure if you see yourself in this video, you comment, like, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed. Appreciate you guys for watching. Till next time, ya está.